Dinion cameras provide first-rate image quality under all conditions. They're incredibly easy to operate and very simple to install. The cameras are ready for use right out of the box. All settings are pre-configured at the factory, so you'll see perfect images immediately. The Dinion cameras adjust automatically to changing light conditions, so it delivers consistently high image quality. You can install these cameras in 3 basic steps. First, run a coax cable connection between the camera and control equipment. Next, connect the power supply. This is very easy since the cameras accept a wide range of voltages. Finally, install the lens and use the lens wizard to adjust back focus for optimum definition. At this point, the camera completes installation itself, adjusting internal settings automatically and dynamically.